Okay, welcome back once again. So in our last video we learned about how teachers can join the school management system. Okay, if you want to add them manually, it's possible, but I think allow them to use the registration page is the best option, and it's very easy to do. Okay, then after that you can locate the teacher to his or her class, okay, so that he will be able to manage that particular class. Now we are going to look at how to add students, because we have not added students yet. So we have to look at how to add students. So to do that, let's go to, okay, so let me go up there. Good. Then locate SM school, okay, academic, and I will click here. So over here, let's see, we have to locate admission. Okay, admission is not here. So let me see. If it is not here, then let me go here. Good. So we have admission. Click on that. We have different way of adding students. Okay, so you can just add them one after the other. This is a table. So after adding, let's say, for instance, Amwako Ernest, then you submit the name, then you add Evis Arta, something of that sort. You have to keep on adding them one after the other. To me, it's too much. Okay, so I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. So when you look at the top here, we have bulk admission. Bulk admission, that's the easy way to add students. So click on that. Okay, so when you click on that, you need to upload the Excel. Okay, but you don't have that. So, and if you are to create some, it won't work for this. Okay, so in order for it to be successful for you, let me show you how to do that. Just come here. We have export sample CSV. Download that. Okay, then you can just fill you can fill it. Then after that, you can upload it. So let me come back here. Come back to my downloads. This is the file we just downloaded, and I can fill this form. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to pause the video, and you see we have just sample name here. So let me open this and make it wide. Okay, so this is the name. We have admission number. Let me open it. Then what do we have here? Dates, class. Okay, good. And then session. Okay, and then row, gender, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video and fill the rest of the page. After that, then after that, then we will continue with the tutorials. Okay, so let us continue. Let me show you. There's something that I have to draw your attention. It's very, very important. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. For the class, there is some part that you can decide not to put anything there, but some parts are very, very important, especially the admission number is very, very important. Okay, and then the row, make sure it follows in order, like as we have 1, 2, 3 in that order. And also the dates, let's see, maybe it will give us an error, but I'll show you how to solve that. For the phone number, if you want the SMS to work for you, make sure you add the country code. Okay, in Ghana we are using +233. okay, make sure you add that. I know when you enter the number, it will the format will change, but don't worry, when you click on it, you see the number here. This is the default one that came with this template. And the email, since you will be dealing with students, collecting an email account from students will be very difficult, because they are too young to create an email account. So all my work, what I've been doing is I create any email account. Yeah, just use their name to generate some. Just generate any name, form any email account, and the system will accept it. But if you leave the place blank, it will reject it. So you have to just put something there. And then the address is not that important, but for religion, and then the caste, blood group, the father's occupation, mother's occupation, and so on and so forth are not all that important here. But for the username and then the password and password confirmation is very, very important. So make sure you add that. So I have added details about 3 people. And for now, I'm going to show you how to import that. Okay. So first of all, let me click here and save it. Yes, I want to save the change. Okay. So make sure do collect is pick this one again and save it. Okay. Yes, replace it. So okay, yes, and that is okay. So what I will do is I will then come here and select select the file, open it, and then here you have to select the class is basic 7, and then the session is bulk imports, and now successful. Okay, so let's go to students and let's see. Let me go down here. You see the 3 students we just added are here. So that is how to add students to the school management system. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.